Hi, Yogi and I are here at Cameron Station, one of the most unique neighborhoods in the city of Alexandria. We're really excited to show you this neighborhood and even more excited to show you our newest listing in here. Here at Cameron Station, there are plenty of these pocket parks. Great places to bring your pets too. You can play fetch, but Yogi doesn't fetch. We also have something that the towns of the 1800s had, and that's a town square. You can come here, enjoy family, friends, celebrate birthdays and holidays, or just simply enjoy being outside. And finally, the moment we've been waiting for, 133 Cameron Station Boulevard. Come on in, let's take a look. Cameron Station also has plenty of biking, jogging, and running trails. They even have a running club, but I don't run. With that being said, you can really have the outdoor life while you live in the city. Look right over there, there's a blue heron. And now, the moment that I've been waiting for. I'm off to the Nats game. I'm gonna head down here to the yellow line and catch the game tonight. I hope you enjoyed watching. Again, Gary Hughes, Century 21 Redwood. Give me a call, send me a text. Happy to talk to you, just not tonight.